Hey guys, welcome back. Jet Scott here with Scott Speed Shop, and just want to thank you guys for tuning in. And I apologize in the last Jezebel video, but we are going to take a break from her for just a little bit. And today we got a short one for you. I do want to say I appreciate all the nice comments. I ain't had time to read them yet, but I got friends over and they say good words are coming out of the comments. So when I read those tonight and start replying to them, just want to say thank you in advance to everybody out there. But we're working on hookers and blow a little bit today. Michael drove her in, and like I said, we got company over and doing a bunch of business and hanging out. People from St. Louis, Brian and his old lady, which I'm sorry I can't remember her name again. Damn it. God, this memory sucks. But Michael went ahead and patched that floor. A little piece of sheet metal I gave him. We're just gonna leave that removable, because someday he's even thinking now he might put it back to a 4-speed like a real man, because it's a hot rod, not a drag vehicle. We're just gonna have fun. So what are we doing on hookers and blow? Well, we put some water wetter in the radiator because she doesn't run exactly hot nor cool, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna give that a shot because I put some in Jezebel and I've always heard good things about it. But what we're doing on hookers and blow is a facelift. And I wish we had a front bumper for this, but the one that Michael had is not the right grill or right bumper, so we're not doing that. But I went ahead and painted this front stub here because it looked pretty gnarly, being all rusty. But friend out in St. Louis, Tom, if you watch this, thank you again, gave Michael the correct grill for this. It's the cheese grater grill. You know, this being an 84, this is a little bit newer grill, like 88 or so, whatever the years are. And Tom gave it to Michael so that way he could put the right grill in here. And we're gonna be swapping out, and I mean, it's just gonna be a simple short little video. And I want to thank Brian for bringing that out, which he's in the garage. There's his truck, but I don't know if he's ready to be on camera. We'll find out in a minute. But we're gonna be swapping out that grill, putting it on here. Michael's in there polishing all the fake chrome on it, making it look nice. And we thought about even painting inside of here black, but that means painting all this black too, and we need to find the correct headlight surrounds, because one's amber and one's clear, and I want to find Michael another one that's amber. So if someone out there has a passenger side bucket with an amber lens, please let me know. Email is in the description of every video, and we could really use it because this looks goofy. Let's go see how Michael's doing. All right, let's get this crappy grill out and put the right one in. Work faster, Michael. Is it upside down? Oh, it's a completely different mounting system. Oh. Well, just like Jezebel. You can go wrong. There you go. Bitch. And your other surround was all beat up, wasn't it? I got an idea. Baling wire.
Not baling wire.
Well, it appears the bad luck follows Jezebel wherever she is home, because the mounting position on these grills changes. Like the surround looks the same, everything looks the same, but you see where this one mounts right there, there, and there, and then down here along the bottom, it's completely different than the cheese grater grill, which mounts in whole different places. So unfortunately we can't use the really nice cheese grater grill, which Michael made that thing look brand new.
Sucks.
Yeah, so we need to find an 84 surround that ain't all beat up, along with still the correct headlight buckets, or at least one more that's got the right end on it. So anybody out there got it, we'd really appreciate it. But I guess we're just gonna put hookers and blow back together the way she was. Maybe we'll just go ahead and polish what we got, that way it looks a little bit nicer. Because I got all the polishing stuff out because I was working on, I'm going to show you what I was working on. Got another Hemi tunnel ram and more stuff. But I bought this thing. Well, I took that one in on trade, that Hemi tunnel ram, and this one makes number 5 I own. And someone has started to sand it, and well, I can't stand a half-ass polish job, so been working on the polish of it. See, it's got a pretty good shine to it. It's a little bit hazy, but I just want to make it, you know, look a lot better than it does, because it did look like that, and that just looks bad. I don't like that. So look at this thing finished up, but sadly I guess this video isn't going to be as much of a transformation on hookers and blow as I thought. That sucks, Michael.
Sure does.
That really does suck. That's really annoying. Huh. Well, we'll get to see her start up and drive out of here at some point. And I want to go ahead and just give everybody an update on old Jezebel, because we've had some time to think, and she is actually uncovered because I had to show her to Brian and Sherry, his old lady. Remembered your name now. Thank you. Sorry again. Bad with names. So let's see. The leaf spring debacle. So I have different hangers coming that have multiple mounting locations. They're a lot nicer than those cheap part store ones. And we'll use those. And if that makes everything look pretty good and we got a good angle, we'll keep the super stocks. But if those don't work, we're going to go ahead and do away with the super stock springs and go to like a normal extra heavy duty or just a regular Mopar spring or something like that. So that's kind of the plan. We're just waiting on parts to get here. And of course we still got all the brakes we need to finish up and everything like that, but we'll get her, guys. We'll get her. Just taking a break because the frustration is real. And I got another project coming that, not a car, but my close friends know what I'm talking about, and I'm pretty excited for it. So you'll see more of that probably in the middle of this week. Hopefully it shows up then, but yeah, we'll see. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Let's check out some hookers and blow action. Thanks for stopping by, Michael. Everybody say bye-bye to hookers and blow one more time. This won't be the last time we see her. Bye-bye. Well, sorry about that, guys. The video wasn't as fantastical as I was hoping, but there'll be more. So stay tuned as always, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh yeah.
Bye-bye.